This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Monday, May 24th, 2010, and we're going to take a look at China Crescent Enterprises, a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading under the ticker CCTR. I want to point something out here real quick. I was watching this stock a few weeks ago. See, this had a little bit longer term uptrend. I wasn't going to wait until this area, where the cursor is now, when it broke through that trend line. I was looking at it more right in this area, where it was making a little bit of a rounded bottom. This is where I wanted to see this try and take off. I wouldn't put an exact trend line through here, but it's something, along these lines is kind of the feel that it had. So I wanted to see it take off right through there and get a push, hold this 50-day moving average. Obviously it didn't do it, but now it's dipped back down. You can see it keeps, this is an area it keeps bouncing off of repetitively. Usually when you'd call a double bottom, triple bottom, however many bottoms, multiple bottoms, you want them to be within 10% of each other to really qualify as another bottom and hold that support level. You see it, CCTR is back in that position again. There was another reason I looked like that to try and bounce or take off right there was just a lot of nice indicator uptrends going on. You can see that when it broke down below that and didn't break out right there, everything's kind of dipped back down. Indicator trend lines were broken, but now we're starting to see histogram uptrends. Looks like we're getting ready to see some bullish crosses of indicators. So that coupled with the support level puts this on radar again. This 7 MFI kind of gives you a little bit of an indication that this might try and turn back down again, but again, that's only one indicator, and it's a might sort of possibility. I don't like the way it got the great separation. It looks like it's trying to turn down, but it doesn't mean an awful lot. It's just something to keep an eye on. I want to see it hold that support level, most importantly. Accumulation distribution's been in a pretty strong downtrend. Trying to turn again now, though. Taking money flow also pretty far into the red, but we're going to look for this to try and turn. This is primarily a candle play. You can see the indicators. Some of them look great. CCI looks good. Full stow coming off the bottom again. Trick's starting to flatten back out, it looks like. Going to try and turn again. It broke the great uptrend that it had going. So you're getting a little bit of mixed feelings from the indicators. What's important about this is the RSIs. Very nice positioning. And really most importantly, that this is holding a level right through there as a good bottom source. You might want to call 0125 the true bottom that you want to see it hold. I wouldn't even be thinking about anything this low. Right now, I'm really looking for it to hold right in through there. That's what I want to see it do. I want to see it work with these low short-term moving averages, the 5 and 10, and push, and then try and take on this middle Bollinger Band and the 50-day moving average again and try and get back above it. Like I say, primarily a candle play based on that support level. It's going to see some first resistance, which is pretty sizable gains, right in through here at 0.175, 0.172 possibly, right in through that area. A little bit more right there when it gets up near 0.185. First and foremost, though, get through these old peaks that it couldn't get through before. Volume picking up just a little bit lately. Still not great, but the slightest uptrend it has going to it. We want to see volume surge a little bit more. I haven't looked at the share structure at all for CCTR. Like I say, this is a 100% technical play based on candles and support and resistance. We want to see it hold this support level, make its push. In order to do that, need some more volume probably. Everything else though a little bit mixed, but not bad. Some of the things you really use for the strength of a possible move, those things are positioned pretty nice with the MACD getting ready to cross and the RSIs in the position that they are. So let's keep an eye on CCTR and see if it can make this move and hold this support level. This is Andy with QualityStocks.